Well, the same knife that you used to butter your toast this morning, you can also use to cut the air with. It is a very juicy atmosphere out there, and that is going to be conducive to promoting some thundery downpours, especially as we head into later today. Again, the humidity is thick here this morning. It will stay thick through the day today, and we'll have more showers to contend with going into tonight. And again, these thunderstorms that do develop really do have the capability of producing a good amount of rain in a short period of time. So an umbrella is a must. Not going to be a washout, but again, when these thunderstorms do develop, they will produce that heavy rain. We'll have areas of fog as well for tonight, and it stays on the unsettled side heading into tomorrow. As far as temperatures are concerned for today, these numbers are still just a little bit below average. We'll see highs into the upper 70s today. Should be right around 75 midday, and the humidity levels, as I mentioned, are up there. Icky and sticky, not leaving us here for today nor for tomorrow, but dew point temperatures will start to drop during the course of the middle of the week and into Thursday as well, only to climb again by the time we reach the weekend. Rainfall, just a couple of 1/100ths of an inch over the last 24 hours, so we still have a decent deficit to note. We'll put a little bit of a dent in that today with some of the showers. The best chance for seeing some of this rain, that's where Puddle Ducky goes, right around 1 o'clock this afternoon. We've got just about a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms, and we'll see that significant chance through the commute for the drive home, and then the rainfall amounts will start to decrease as we go into the overnight, or at least the rain chances will. But as far as rainfall amounts go, we could see, like I said, a quick inch of rain in some of these thunderstorms developing as low pressure continues to twirl close by. It will depart as we head into later Wednesday, and that's when we're going to start to see some dry time, especially as we head into, I would say, late Wednesday afternoon, Thursday and Friday, and then we head into the weekend, and then another system will head our way, and that will promote more scattered showers and thunderstorms. 70 degrees right now, the wind out of the southeast. The air is thick. We do have some patchy fog out there as well. Satellite radar put together here show we're pretty much in a little bit of a dry slot at this point, but that will change. The heating of the day will promote instability and pop-up thunderstorms, especially east of Buffalo and down to the western and central southern tier. We'll still have those around close to dinner time. A little bit of a break overnight, a little bit of a break early tomorrow morning, and then some more of those scattered showers will pop with the heating of the day on Tuesday. So again, forecast for today, scattered showers and afternoon thunderstorm. It's muggy. 79 should do it for a top temp. We're up to 74 in Lockport, 75 in Grand Island, 70 in Depew, 72 in Amherst, upper 60s here in Salamanca, and again, a pretty good chance that we'll see some thunderstorms all the way through this evening. The overnight low 66. There's your Super 7-day forecast. Note that as we head into the weekend, lots going on. We got the Niagara Falls Street Festival on Saturday. We've got